You drive fast, ha? Malayo ba? Wait, we will make it forward. Oh, now okay?
Sir, may apatan po kami, sir.
There on the other side, stay there. It's drizzling now.
Bali, ang i-inform po sila.
Ashley, put on your cap.
Tsaka kinukompleto po natin yung papers natin. Asli po. Yung naman po, update po. Focus probably by next week po, mas kayo natin.
Spring, go down.
Sige, sige, sir.
Okay.
Actually nga sabi ni BFP, ma'am, kaya mo na yan. Sabi ko, sige ka, sir, baka kaya oras mo sa mga nasabi. Sige, ma'am, tatlo ko lang.
It's 4:20 now and Tahali and Ice are there in Sagada. Okay, it's now turning counterclockwise this time. Five-minute time is over, so there goes Talia and Isley going down, and they'll get their shoes.